Today, I'm going to introduce you to the Cambridge exam. If you're thinking about taking a language exam, you probably have tons of questions. So today, I'm going to put the record straight. The Cambridge exam is a language exam that gives you access to a diploma of proficiency in English. Sounds good, doesn't it? Cambridge is one of the most prestigious institutions to get your language certificate. Wow! This language certification is recognized by over 20,000 universities, employers, and governments around the globe. Therefore, they can open doors to higher education, employment opportunities, and increase your choices for study and work abroad or in international companies in your home country. Oh, I forgot. It is also valid indefinitely, so you don't have to worry about renewing and recertifying your level. It's all advantages, right? Remember, you can get more information in our website, or you can go to the official website of the Cambridge institution. You know, how can you prepare for this exam? You can take courses in academies, private classes with teachers, and practice with specialized manuals or with us, with Langoo. And you know what's the best thing? You have free access for 7 days to practice. All you have to do is register with one click. You can also access our free test and check and verify your English level. Well, Langooers, I hope you found this information useful, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to write us in the comments. See you in the next video!